I definitely get a lot of these questions from producers and composers, like, Jesse, I want to get a TV, I want to get a placement on this particular TV show or this particular ad or this or that. And I do think that that's an unwise approach, especially on this side of the business, is that if you set your goal so small and so specific, chances are you probably won't get that particular goal. But as opposed to maybe zooming out and casting a wider net to say, I would like to make a full-time income with my music. How can I do that? Or how can I just serve the TV film licensing industry? Like, maybe I think that I want to get my tracks into ads or or trailers, but when I partner with a library, maybe I find out that my music is actually better for reality TV shows or competition shows. So rather than having more of a specific pinpointed goal, it's better to actually just cast a wider net, and exactly what you said. And if you have that system in place, you're going to catch all of those. You're going to catch the ads. You're going to catch the trailers. You're going to catch the reality shows. You're going to catch all different stuff. And you're also going to catch things that you didn't think you could catch, or you didn't even, like virtual reality content is now going to be exploding, right? And and the video game industry is now bigger than the film industry. So there are going to be new opportunities that if you're so specifically pinpointed, you're going to miss the wider view of other opportunities.